Hey guys, today I got a new Nerf gun at a Christmas party. It's the one I've always wanted. Here, let's move it back. Yes, you can pause it to read all this stuff, but I'm so happy. Here's the back of the box. Okay, it comes with eight magazines. Alright, so let's get opening. So let's open it. You think you can actually hold the thing up for me?
What thing?
The iPad.
Hold on.
Let's go back to India. I almost got it. Alright, I got it. Hey, why'd you turn off the light?
Oh my shit.
Okay, turn on the light. Alright, so yeah. That's my fidget spinner. But look at my other fidget spinner I got today, though.
Who wants a party?
I got this one, and then
Here's a party. Oh,
alright,
here's a party.
turn on the lights. And then I got this one. I don't know why I'm stopping, but yeah, let's get this open. Can you hold the iPad open up?
Hold on.
I got it. Oh, that's small. It's smaller than I thought it was. Look how big that is. It's that big. Alright, so let's get it open. Alright, so let's get this big one open first. That was easy. Got both of them out. It should be easy to put it on because I know that. Alright. Let's get the magazines out. Oh, the instructions I need. Let's get these magazines out. Alright, so got two first. Got two. Oh, it comes with four. Did not even know that. Alright, let's get the main gun out. That's what I'm really looking for. 83. Alright, let's move these to the side. This all over here. Let's get this open. Let's get the gun out. Got the gun out. Actually cool. Alright, it takes batteries. Okay. At least I have the batteries right here. Alright. And now we need to get the bullets. And now just the other, and then we're good. Yeah. So guys, I will see you when I get done doing all this work. So like no joke. If you guys know how to what's it called? Fast forward, please tell me in the comments because I really need to know. Like no joke, I do. Alright, so I'll see you guys when I get this all right. Update guys, it's so hard to put this on. I'm barely even done, it's so hard. But yeah, I'll see you guys when I'm done, actually. Okay guys, I got it ready. Alright, so I'm gonna actually see how it shoots. I'm gonna shoot it. Oh! Oh, that shoots so good. Alright, so that's actually good shooting on this. And yeah. Alright, so it's actually a good gun. It's easy to shoot. So yeah, that's good. That's actually really good. There's 24 bullets in the whole thing because 12 and 12 equals 24. But yeah, it actually shoots really good. I like it. And yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Leave a thumbs up and bye guys.